Welcome to JAI by thatAIdo.com. In the first tutorial, we're going to be getting started on GCP, and I'll show you how to build your own Vertex AI conversation. There's a lot of stuff there. Have a little fun. All right, guys, here we go. We have 104 on Wednesday, October 25th. Not really sure if you can see that at the top of the screen. That's not the point. We're going to get this rolling. How to make it effective for you, real world stuff. I'm recording this on my MacBook. Nothing fancy, just a Zoom. You can use the free and available tools where they're effective. Use AI where it is too. Okay, let's jump into it though. So first thing, go to GCP, which is Google Cloud Platform. And passwords. Make sure you know your passwords. All right, let's talk about what GCP is first of all. It is more horsepower than any one of us can fully understand individually, I think. Now, there's some really crazy cool stuff on there. Honestly, Vertex AI might be the last thing you ever really need. They say that all the time. I don't work for Google. I hope I don't get in trouble for this.